Welcome to the Brisbane Home Show. I'm Kelly from Kitchen Connection. Let me show you around our stand. Today we'll be showcasing our Caesarstone bench tops. 95% quartz, scratch resistant, heat resistant and stain resistant. Why not keep your wine cool in our Halfway wine fridge? You can also undermount your sink in Caesarstone, keeping everything nice, neat and tidy. You can also integrate your appliances. Here we have a Halfway integrated refrigerator. And to make life easier, we have servo-drive from Blum for easy opening and closing of cabinets. So come on down to the Brisbane Home Show and see us at Kitchen Connection.